I told you that you could start making money online this week with no fancy degree, no expensive gear, and even using the skills that you already have, would you believe me? Because today I'm going to be sharing with you 6 beginner-friendly websites that pay in actual cash and not gift cards, and I'll break down exactly how to start on each one. So if you are ready, do not scroll past. You need to stick with me to the very end because the last two companies are the ones most beginners don't even know exist, and yet they are paying really, really well. If you are new here, welcome. And on this channel, we'll talk about how to earn money online, whether remote jobs, affiliate marketing, or passive income. So if that sounds like what you're here for, hit that subscribe button, join our growing family of people. Now, before we start, what is transcription? Let's quickly clear this up because I know some people hear transcription and think it's complicated. Here's the truth. Transcription is simply listening to audio or video and typing out exactly what you hear. That's it. Like sometimes it's an interview, sometimes it's a YouTube video, sometimes it's a lawyer's meeting, but the skill is still the same. Yes, you will need to be accurate. Yes, sometimes you will replay the same sentence 3 times because someone mumbled. But if you can listen and type at a decent speed, you can do this. And here's the kicker. You don't need years of experience. Many companies will train you, and several on this list are worldwide. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is called Way with Words. This one, imagine sitting at your desk in South Africa, UK, or even Singapore, typing away at a project for a global client. That's what Way with Words allow. They hire proficient English speakers from South Africa, the UK and European countries, the US and Canada, Australia and New Zealand, Malaysia, Singapore, and Hong Kong. The great thing is you can actually work freelance or you go full time, and their pay rate is 40 cents to $1, 20 cents per audio minutes. That's depending on the turnaround time, and they pay via paper every month. You see, the pro tip I'm going to give anyone that is considering website is to they care a lot about grammar and accuracy. So you need to brush up on your punctuation rules before applying, and it will make you stand out. So how do you apply? All you have to do is scroll to the bottom of their site, click become a transcriber. You are going to visit Way with Words. Scroll to the bottom of their site like this, click become a transcriber, fill in your details, wait for their email if you qualify. That is exactly how you become a transcriber on Way with Words. The second one I'm going to be talking about is Rev. Rev is a dream company for many beginner transcriptionists, and for good reason. On Rev, you can work as a transcriptionist. They pay up to like 30 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. You can work as a captioner, and they pay about 54 cents to $1.10 per audio minute. You can work as a subtitler, and that one pays up to like $5,400 per month if you handle foreign languages. So here is a real example. If you work 30 audio hours in a month, you could earn between $540 and $190 as a transcriptionist and more as a subtitler. They pay weekly via PayPal. Yes, every single week. And locations that they hire from basically are from Australia, Canada, Ireland, Mexico, New Zealand, Netherlands, South Africa, the UK, and the US, except California. I don't know why they do not allow Californians. I think that is because of their California law something. Don't worry, if you are from Nigeria, in a moment I'm going to show you a company that hires worldwide, no location restrictions, and pay bonuses just for completing work consistently. So if you want to apply on Rev, all you have to do is also scroll to the bottom of their website, click sign up to become a Rev transcriptionist, and pass their short transcription test. Now moving on to the third one. This one hires globally, and it's called Tate. Quick Tate hires globally, but you will need a tax identification number, which I believe if you are in Nigeria, you can actually get this. You could be transcribing voicemails, legal notes, medical recordings, conference call, and their pay rate is 1 cent for every 2 words. So it add up fast if you are consistent. And they also love applicants who can commit to deadlines. So don't overpromise the number of hours you can work when applying. How to apply? Go to their websites, click on call transcription, scroll down and hit interested in becoming a transcriber. Click here, fill in your details, submit, and wait for their response. And that is it. Anybody around the world can apply to this one. The fourth one is called iDictate. So if you like variety in your work, iDictate is for you. They actually offer general transcription, legal and medical transcription, YouTube video transcription, conference calls and interviews. And the application process is literally you need to scroll to they are interested in becoming a transcriber, and you click on create an account, you provide a reference, and no, not your family members. Take their quiz and typing test, complete a background check, and their background check is $20 and it's paid by you. No experience required, just pass the test. Payments are made weekly via PayPal every Monday. Now, moving on to the fifth one, it's called Scribble. Now, here's the one I teased earlier. Scribble hires worldwide and lets you learn on the job. Their pay rate is $5 to $25 per audio hour, and their bonus is $5 extra for every 3 hours of completed work in a month. And their withdrawal has no limit. You can cash out anytime. So if you can work on a 6-minute file daily, you will hit their bonus with ease. How do you apply? You create an account, take their transcription test, pass it, and you're in. Now to the final one, which is Bubble Type. Bubble Type is a little different. They specialize in market research strength. They specialize in market research transcription and also offer translation jobs. So you will need solid English grammar, excellent communication, ability to meet deadlines. And their pay rate is between 20 cents per audio minute. So they pay per audio minute, not per working hour. So the faster you are, the better your hourly rate. How do you apply? You have to fill out their form online and they will contact you. Now, there you have it. 6 legit online typing jobs that could be your ticket to working from home.